Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to Microsoft Teams. Whether you're building a workgroup or setting up a community space, knowing how to bring others into your Teams environment quickly and efficiently is essential. Let's walk through the different ways you can do this. First, let's start with the general invitation method. On the left side navigation panel, you'll see an option labeled Chat. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your main chat interface where you can manage conversations and connections with your team members. Now, shift your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button that says Invite to Teams. Click on it and you'll be presented with an invitation link. This link is your gateway to bringing new members into your Teams workspace. Simply copy the invitation link and send it to the people you want to invite. They can use this link to join your team's environment directly, making the onboarding process smooth and hassle-free. However, if you're looking to invite people specifically to a community you've created, the process is slightly different. On the left side navigation panel, click on Communities. This will display all the communities you're part of or have created. It's a dedicated space for more focused group collaboration. Once you're in the Communities section, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice an Invite Members icon. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear where you can input the name, email, or phone number of the person you'd like to invite. This method is great when you know exactly who you want to add and have their contact information readily available. Alternatively, if you prefer to share an invitation link instead, there's another option right beside the Invite Members icon. You'll see a link icon. Click on it, and it will generate a shareable link. Copy this link and send it to whoever you want to join your community. This approach is particularly useful when you're inviting multiple people at once or when you want to post the link in a group chat or email. And that's it. You've now learned two straightforward methods for inviting people to Microsoft Teams, whether it's to your general workspace or to a specific community. These tools make collaboration easy and ensure everyone stays connected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.